Could there be other life in our universe? Intelligent life, aliens, or even simple celled organisms and bacteria existing out there somewhere in the cosmos? We certainly wouldn't rule it out, and there's no reason to believe it's impossible. Actually, because of the vastness of space, it's highly more probable than not. You wouldn't take a teaspoon of water from the ocean and conclude there are no sharks in the sea. And as theistic essentialists, we believe in evolution and that God seeded life in the universe, so why would we assume it only evolved on one planet in one small corner of space? Also, if life was found elsewhere in the universe, it would present no theological implications which would undermine theistic essentialism, as we don't adhere to any type of Christ only came to earth to die for the sins of humanity narrative. Thus, it is our belief that more than likely there is other life in the universe, but again, we never make definitive claims unless we can prove them. That's part of being a theistic essentialist. Next, let's get into multi-universe theory, something that everybody likes to talk about. You may be surprised to find out that theistic essentialists believe that God created a vast number, if not an infinite number, of other universes outside of our own. The reason is not just that science is beginning to uncover some tantalizing evidence about this, but because there are logical grounds to believe it is necessarily true. Earlier in the book, in the Why Did God Create the Universe section, we discussed how God must necessarily be the GCB, and that a God who can create and does is greater than a God who can create but doesn't, as it is greater to use all of your possible omnipotence than to have it but not use it. In a positive sense, the man who displays his power is greater than he who has it but never shows it. This logically leads to the conclusion that an all-powerful, limitless God, who necessarily must be the GCB, has to, as a product of his nature, create every possible universe with every possible combination of laws, limits, constants, etc. Our universe then is just one of many, and we believe that this truth will become even more evident as science and time progress. I'll see you soon. Stay safe. I love you guys, man. Until next time, Theistic Essentialism. I'm out, bro. Peace.